Welcome everyone, Dylan Gemelli here today with a brand new video for you. So what I want to talk to you about today are some of the best natural remedies for prostate health. So let's just jump right into it. Number one is diet and lifestyle changes. All right, consume some of the following foods that I'm going to list and some of the supplements that I'm going to list as well, and make the lifestyle changes that I'm going to talk about to help maintain optimal prostate health. So number one is tomatoes. All right, especially when they're cooked, because they provide lycopene, and that is actually critical for prostate health. Research out there shows that high consumption of cooked tomatoes, thanks to tomato nutrition providing lycopene and other antioxidants, may play a modest role in the prevention of prostate cancer. Then we got wild-caught fish. So omega-3 foods like wild-caught fish are going to reduce inflammation of the prostate. All right, there was actually a review published in Integrative Cancer Therapies, and it indicated that researchers found an association between higher intake of fish and decreased risk of prostate cancer related death. Green tea, that's actually the #1 beverage for anti-aging, and the reason for that is because that it contains the highest level of antioxidants, and what it does is promote detoxification and prostate health, and detoxification can help to treat or relieve symptoms of, prostate disease. Now, pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds and pumpkin seed oil aid prostate health thanks to their high content of carotenoids and liposoluble vitamins. So pumpkin seed contains zinc, and zinc acts as a diuretic, and it helps to empty the bladder, and they reduce inflammation, and this can be helpful when dealing with an enlarged prostate that causes issues with urination. You need to avoid consumption of meat and dairy in high amounts. Now, there was research done in Sweden, and high consumption of dairy products and meat was actually linked to a greater risk of prostate cancer. It showed that men with higher calcium intake had a 4.6-fold increase in prostate cancer risk compared to men with low total calcium intake. And this could be due to high calcium intake suppressing levels of vitamin D, which has actually exhibited anti-cancer properties. Now, studies of red meat intake were relatively consistent in showing risk ratios of 1.5 to 2.0 when comparing the highest to lowest categories of intake. Now, this may be due to the effects of meat on hormone profiles, as well as the possible carcinogenic effects on the compounds generated when cooking meat at high temperatures. Then we got physical activity, all right? There was a review conducted at Stanford University, and it stated that all studies performed between 1976 and 2002, 16 out of 27 studies reported reduced risk of prostate cancer in men that were most active. And in 9 of those 16 studies, the reduction in risk was statistically significant. All right, number 2, we got supplements. Vitamin E, that plays a big role as an antioxidant in the body. All right, there was research done in the Journal of the National Cancer Institute, and it said that there was a 32% decrease in the incidence of prostate cancer among participants receiving about 50 milligrams of vitamin E for 5 to 8 years. Vitamin D, there was research done at Boston University School of Medicine, and the association between either decreased sun exposure or vitamin D deficiency and the actual increased risk of prostate cancer at an earlier age and with a more aggressive progression indicates that adequate vitamin D nutrition should be a priority for men of all ages. Selenium. There's a number of selenium benefits, including its ability to increase immunity, reduce the risk of cancer, and increase longevity. Lycopene is a powerful antioxidant that gives fruits and vegetables their kind of red color, and it's most strongly activated by cooking tomatoes, but the lycopene in supplements is about as easy for the body to use as lycopene found in food. Then we got zinc. Now, an important zinc benefit is the role it plays in prostate health, infection stress, and diet influence. All right, and that's greatly reduced in those with prostate problems. A 2000 study done in the Journal of Urology, researchers found that in prostate cancer cases, the mean tissue zinc was actually decreased by about 83% as compared to normal tissue. And in BPH cases, there was a 61% decrease in mean tissue zinc as compared to normal tissues. All right, then we got fish oil. That's known to reduce inflammation, and inflammation can lead to prostate cancer. Saw palmetto, that can improve symptoms of benign prostatic hyperplasia, and, you know, other diseases to the prostate, which is why it's one of the most commonly consumed supplements by men with prostate health issues. And then stinging nettle also has anti-inflammatory, anti-tumor, and antiviral effects. It also boosts immunity, and it can help relieve symptoms of BPH due to the compounds it contains, all right? Like polysaccharides and lignans, for example. Essential oils, you got rosemary, frankincense, myrrh, all excellent options. Rosemary oil is a powerful antioxidant, and it's believed that the molecular mechanism of carnosic acid as well as carnosol may inhibit prostate cancer. Frankincense oil is well known for its ability to reduce pain and inhibit the spread of cancer, and myrrh is also known to have anti-cancer and antibacterial benefits. All right? Before seeking any form of alternative medicine, especially for the treatment of cancer, you've got to be sure to talk to your healthcare provider first, though, okay? Your doctor or practitioner is going to help to guide you with your treatment regimen using the most effective forms of therapy, but voice your concern about the side effects of conventional treatment and your desire to try natural forms if that's what you want. All right? Some alternative therapies could be harmful when used with medications, which is another reason you've got to consult your doctor before beginning any herbal treatments. So, that is some natural remedies to help treat your prostate. So, that being said, stay tuned for plenty more to come. Also, www.elitefitness.com/videos. You can see all of my old and new videos updated daily, uncut and uncensored. Dylan at icearms.com and www.icearms.com/forums for all your questions and comments. So, Dylan Gemelli signing off.